Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can combine two video clips into one in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are going to import two videos clips in here. Let's say I already recorded a couple of videos in here, so I will go over here and then let's say I will going to add these two videos with one. So I will upload it and then I will paste it here, and as you can see the both videos already been uploaded in here, but there is a divider available in here. So how I can fix this issue, you just need to be click this one and then you just need to be click on create compound clip. Once you click over here, then the whole thing, like you just need to select this one and this one, and then you just need to be click same way and this one, and now you can eventually see that it already become an one clip. There is a no divider available in between these two clips. Now it is one clip. So in this way you can make this merge. I hope this video was helpful for you and knowledgeable too. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.